What's up, guys? So we're over here with Mike over at Brink Street and a couple of our other buddies, and we are going to do an exhaust video test. So this should be cool. We got all different kinds, from the stock exhaust to the AWE to Paragon to my Borla and all in between. So we're gonna work together on this and should be a cool video. So hope you guys enjoy.
All right, go ahead. So about 98 decibels there on the startup. Go ahead and rev it. Hit it again. Okay, so I think I saw as high as 115 from the stock exhaust, but it was right around 107. Yep, go ahead and do startup. So that hit 105 on the startup, and it's idling at about 103, as you can see there. Wow. Okay, go ahead and rev. Okay, yeah, so that was consistently hitting about 113 to 115, and it was idling at 103, 104. This next one's gonna hurt my ears. So this is the Corsa with long tubes and cat rings. Go ahead. Okay, go ahead. Wow. I think that knocked out your mic. Okay, that hurt your ears, and it hit about 120 on the decimal.
Oh, nice.
Okay, guys, this is the Borla startup. That was a loud startup. Okay. Okay, that was hitting 123 to 125, so that's a totally different sound. That actually didn't hurt my ears. It's more of a lower rumble. Yep. Wow, that hit a big number starting up. Go ahead again. Alright, so there you have it, folks. That one hit about 120.
So yeah, that concludes our exhaust comparison video for the C8 Corvette. As you can see, I had to film this part of the video at home. If you hadn't seen on my previous video, I essentially had the cops called on me while I was trying to film other YouTube stuff. Cops were watching me the whole entire time. They agreed I didn't do anything wrong, but it was technically private property, and so the owners of the property said I was trespassing and filed a trespassing thing against me. So that's what ended up happening. Nobody initially came up to me, just the cops were called on me, so I wish they had come up to me. I would have gladly just left with no problems whatsoever and never done anything there ever again. But hey, sometimes people are afraid of confrontation. But in any case, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please check out any of my other videos like this one here for your C8 or car needs.